Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making shrimp recipe with rice noodles. Garlic 3 to 4 cloves, finely chopped. Onion 1 big size, finely chopped. Cabbage 150 grams, finely chopped. Carrot 1 big size, finely chopped. Beans 150 grams, finely chopped. In a pan, oil 2 tablespoons, garlic 150 grams, white pepper powder 2 tablespoons, salt as per taste. Mix everything, cook for 5 to 10 minutes until changes color. Now keep aside. In the same pan, oil 2 tablespoons, finely chopped garlic, saute for 2 minutes, finely chopped onion, saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add all chopped veggies. Meanwhile, rice noodles 200 grams, hot water 500 ml. Keep aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Close the lid, keep aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Now for veggies, add seasoning mix 3 to 4 tablespoons. Oyster sauce 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Now rice noodles is ready. Now add rice noodles to veggies. Cooked shrimps. Soya sauce 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Now it's ready to serve. Watching. See ya. Bye.